Hi friends, on our Vancouver journey we have reached today the Canada Place. It is just behind us in the shape of a big ship. You can see it. And here is the sea this side at our back. And left side, this side are hotels and road. And now behind us is the convention center. Convention center, and below are the restaurants. Various restaurants are there. So we request you once again to subscribe to our channel, watch all videos, like, comment and share, and buy super thanks. Below each video there is super thanks tab. Please press that and buy super thanks as it supports our channel directly. We will go over to the back camera now and show you all the beauty lying around here. Stay on the video. So this is the Canada Place, friends. It is made in the shape of a giant ship. See, ship, its mast, and then the sails of the ship, and one helicopter flying from the ship. I hope you can see the helicopter flying. This is a helicopter, and this is the seafront here. And one cruise liner is ahead. I'll just zoom it for you to see. This is a cruise liner. And beyond are towers and hills. And people are thronging here in the evening to enjoy. So many Cusada restaurants, chop restaurants, it is still Spoke Bar, Subway, and Starbucks. Everything is there. As we travel along the way, we'll show you more of Canada Place. This is here in the form of a ship. And some details are written here. By 1935, political and business figures in Vancouver had become convicted of a conspiracy to start Russian revolution on the Pacific coast. Attention focused on a longshoreman's strike on Valentine Pier on the east of what is now Canada Harbour Place. All level police were mobilized by Member Citizens League of WCBC, a vigilante organization funded by shipping companies who say Vancouver. From companies then on June 18, 1000, striking longshoremen led by waving the Union Jack marched to Valentine Pier where strike because had been unloading ships. Police acted with clubs. More squad joined the 3-hour fight, including the RCMP who had been hiding behind coxers. They continued to club people as they fled. One fleeing striker was shot by police shotgun. Reports held that the police had machine guns ready. But the labor battle of the 1930s stand in contrast to today, when longshoremen help make BC ports some of the most efficient gateways to North America. So these are the details of the place. Place means Canada Place. This is Canada Place for you in the form of a ship.
Because there was hardly anybody there. Yeah. And I was leaving in 52.
These side are the restaurants. And this is the Canada Place, built in the form of a ship. Isn't it beautiful? Please comment either yes or no whether you find this video beautiful or not. And this is the drop. It blends with the convention center here at the back and with the ocean ahead and the surroundings like mountains and other elements of nature. It blends with everything. Beautiful place, and there is a container ship ahead. You can see that. Just left to the Canada Place in the form of a ship. This Canada Place, on the left you see container ship. Big one. I'll zoom it. Yeah, you can see it now in the center of the frame. Container ship, cargo ship. Yeah, now back to the seaplane. First time we are showing it to you. Seaplane is landing onto the sea. This is the seaplane which has just landed. There is a ticket on the seaplane. Buy the ticket and go. Ride the seaplane. One is taking off just now. It has left the water now and risen in the air. Just in front of cruise liner. Higher and higher it goes now. And this is the jetty for seaplanes here. You can see so many seaplanes parked there just now. Seaplane jetty, that is. And this one is returning to the jetty. The Komagata Maru story is written here. A Japanese steamship Komagata Maru arrived in Vancouver carrying 376 passengers from India via Hong Kong, Shanghai. But they were denied entry using a Canadian law that immigrants should arrive directly from their country of origin. So Canada Place Harbour, the Komagata Maru arrived here only, and the subjects, 376 of them, subjects of the British Empire, were denied entry using a Canadian law that they should come directly from their country of origin. However, in 2008, the British Columbia legislature unanimously passed a motion and apologized for the Komagata Maru incident, resolving that such a disgrace will never happen again. So this is the place, see. This is the place ahead, here, Canada Place Harbour, where the Komagata Maru ship, Japanese steamship, arrived and denied entry, become a part of history now. This is the very place where now this seaplane jetty rests. See, one seaplane is going there. This cruise has returned. Hello. Hello is the name of the ship. It is docking now, and those who took the cruise will alight from the ship or the large boat. Captain is standing at the deck just now, see, with the cap on. and the radars are on the top of the ship. Hello, hello. How are you? Hello. Thanks for taking all passengers on the cruise. And the seagulls are also welcoming this by making their unique sounds. So hello is here. Yeah. Now the boats are opening for disembarkment and the passengers will disembark. We want to show you that, hence still running the video. Everything is mechanized here, you see. This bridge will form. Our friend is operating for it to go down and connect with the Hello cruise. The bridge is vertical now. Now it is going down. Just watch the movement of the bridge. Railings are also there. You see. Oh, the bridge has formed and being secured, being fixed by our friend over there. People will get down now. Who is the first one to emerge? Let's find out. Please tell me his name by commenting in the comment section. If you comment correctly, you will get $1,000. Yeah. Tell the name of the first person to alight, to disembark. Here comes the first one, the second one. Two have come down. Oh, the first one was who? Tell the name. Third one coming now. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Now there is a stream. We'll close this video now and request you to tell the name of the first one to disembark. Friends, we have reached the steam clock. Just behind us you can see the steam clock. Steam is emerging from the top of the clock. This is in downtown Vancouver, Canada. If you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell button. Watch all videos, like, comment and share. And below each video there is a super thanks tab. Please press the super thanks tab and buy. We will go to the back camera and show you in detail how this operates. Stay on the video till the end.